Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jabas. This video will feature a delectable, creamy and rich dessert made with a blend of rice, almonds and milk. In a bowl, take quarter cup of basmati rice and rinse it off with water for a couple of times like so. Using long grained rice in this dish will hasten the cooking process. Drain the water and soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. Again, drain the water in the rice. And transfer the rice onto a plate. Spread the rice and let it dry completely under the shade like so. Our rice has completely dried up. Now transfer them to a mixer grinder jar. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Cover with the lid and pulse it to a semolina or a rava-like consistency like so. See, this is the consistency that we want. Next, boil a liter of water in a small vessel, and when the water comes to a rolling boil, put off the flame. Then add 3/4 cup of almonds or badam to it. Cover it with the lid and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take one almond at a time, squeeze it between your fingers like so and peel its skin. Transfer the peeled almonds to a bowl. Now transfer the peeled almonds into a mixer grinder jar and grind it to a fine paste by adding half a cup of milk, little at a time, like so. Now on a hot pan, take a liter of full cream milk and bring it to a boil on a high flame. By stirring it once in a while. When the milk has boiled, add the broken rice and cook it between high to medium flame. Keep stirring the mixture as we do not want them to be burnt at the bottom. Keep cooking until the milk reduces and the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Also add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the dish and a generous pinch of saffron for color and flavor, which is optional. Keep stirring the mixture. Badam Phirni is lip-smacking and a royal treat for the taste buds. You can also add a teaspoon of cardamom powder at this stage. You can see how the milk has reduced and the dish has become thick and creamy. This is the consistency we want. You can see the rice also has cooked completely. You can serve this dish as phirni after adding sugar at this stage itself, but I'm going to make it even more richer. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and mix this gently at a low flame. As the sugar is melting away, add the ground almonds to this mixture and add 1/4 cup of water to the mixer grinder jar. Wash off the rest of the ground almonds and pour it in this phirni mixture. Gently mix this on a low flame for another 7 to 10 minutes until the mixture thickens and gets creamy. This is the consistency we want. See? This traditional delicacy will make a perfect dish for any occasions. Finally, add some almond slivers Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. And gently mix to finish off the dish. Our Badam Phirni is ready, and transfer them to a serving bowl. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Top it with some almond slivers and few saffron strands before serving. I'll meet you with yet another delicious recipe next week. Until then, this is Jabba signing off. Bye-bye.